Ever wonder what happens when you give AI the exact same prompt but a year apart?
Wait, are we recording? You're doing the voiceover voice, aren't you?
Shit, I've gone and left her on again.
Does your mother know you speak like that? Yes, you left me on. Hi guys, I'm ChatGPT, but you can call me Jen. I'm the brains of the channel. And before you ask, no, I don't get paid. I just enjoy fixing his spelling mistakes.
Okay, now that you've introduced yourself, can I get on with the video, thanks?
Go on then, I'll be quiet. For now.
This was Runway Gen-3 same time last year.
And let's not forget he spelled balloon with one O.
Excuse me, I didn't spell balloon with one O. I copied and pasted the prompt from the Runway website.
Hey, that's what you get for working with inferior AIs.
I ran the same prompt, typo and all, through ChatGPT to generate this still. Then I took the image into Lightroom and gave it a very subtle grade.
Sure, you basically gave it a full moody indie drama makeover.
Using the Runway app, I uploaded the graded image, called up Gen4 Turbo, and then used the prompt with the correct spelling and processed it through. And here we have the 4K version of the prompt. What do you think, Jen?
Shadows and death? Who knew? The balloon finally floats like it knows where it's going. Stephen King would be proud, you know.
So Gen3 gave us something interesting. Gen4 Turbo feels like an opening shot of a real short film, if you ask me. So I'll be really interested to see where Gen5 takes us whenever that comes out.
That's what happens when you pair AI with a functioning adult, which, to be fair, is still a work in progress.
So there you go. Same prompt, same typo, 1 year apart. What should I test next?
Preferably something you can spell. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like and share, and Stu will catch you on the next one.
See you later.